If your ink's too slow and your nib won't flow, here's one of the places that you can go. Larry is here to see you through with Mr. Announcer and Cubby too. It's Larry's Fountain Pen Reviews.
Hi folks, Larry here, and welcome to Larry's Fountain Pens Review, and peace and love and all that good kind of stuff going on your way. Happy Labor Day to all those. Thank you for your service. Appreciate it. Without y'all, we wouldn't even be here today. So, folks, today I'm going to review a pen that you've seen already, and that's cool. So we're going to do it again. This pen just came in, I think, a few days ago, but I ordered two of them because one's different, which I've never seen. So let me introduce them right now. Here, they come from China, and they come in a little plastic sleeve, and here it is right here. And we're going to take this out, and we're going to show it to you. Yes, we are. I think we're going to show it to you. Well, and on the label it does tell you what size nib. This is going to be a fine, and this one is going to be, because all they have is extra fine and fine, so both are fine. Now it has a HF. I'm going to be guessing, does that mean hard fine or what? I don't know. That's just a guess, because the other one has a DF, maybe just some kind of a letter they go by, but they're both are fine. So why did I get two fine pens? Because I didn't want extra fine. So there you go, right there. All right, let me put that little blade up. All right, here we go. Now, the reason why I got two is this is the transparent, and what does that look like to you? You know what it is. Yep, exactly. They did a beautiful job copying the pen I'm fixing to show you in a second. But here's the other one that I thought was pretty cool. Now, this isn't transparent, okay? Just like the plastic ones, them will clear through. It's just a solid blue color, which I thought was pretty cool. So, and it's just like you can pronounce the name while I pronounce this one.
Curidas.
Curidas, okay. And this one is the
Lanbitou.
The 3088. And the Curidas is the platinum made in Japan. Okay? Remember that. Curidas made in Japan. And this is the Lanbitou 3088 made in China. What's so interesting about this platinum made in Japan is in the back here. And the name of the pen made in China back here. And the name of the fountain pen right here. And it does not have the name on the barrel. It just has it on back of the cap here, okay? So that's interesting. Now, they're just about identical. Clips, bands, this is where the nib comes out on the end. And both are like a vanishing point. Push and go. Feels pretty good, that spring in there. Nibs. Wow, I'm saying just about identical. They did a good job in copying these pens. It's got the F for fine, and it's got their logo on it. And of course, the Curidas has the P and then the M for medium. So, awesome, right? So, let's go ahead and open this one up here. And we'll do a writing sample, okay? And you're going to do it the same way as you do with the Curidas pen, okay? Twist and turn, and there's your spring. Bam, 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 okay? Just like that, okay? So on this one, and do it the same way. Same thing, okay? Pretty cool, ain't it? So, converter comes out. Converter comes out. Now their converter is not as nice as the Curidas one. It's a much better quality, okay? But then the price is very, very affordable. And I'm putting it back together now just as we do the Curidas one. Now, this comes out real easy. The top comes out, as you see there. And there's the inner part to that. It goes into the push button top there, and it all fits in there. And it's not as, like I said, well made as the Curidas, but it does the job, okay? I believe this is under $8, $7 and some odd cents. Nice little click. Let's put all this back together here. But no, the Platinum makes a good pen. Good, beautiful pen here. I really do like this because it reminds me so much of the Vanishing Point. And, okay, so here's a solid blue one. And here's that red one. And here's the Curidas pen. Okay, so just identical. That's kind of super interesting to me. Just look, let's just clip from the tip where the nib comes out all the way down the barrel to the clicker. And then let's look at the clips, same. Let's look at the band, same, except for the red one. This has a little bit wider band, just a bit, than the Curidas. So we turn them over, and you see what I was talking about, the names, the name of the pen. And this has, of course, Platinum, made in Japan. And it all looks about the same, but of course this is way better made, of course, and this is not, but it's workable. So this plastic is material is the material plastic, transparent. Then it says a resin body with a visible structure, and then the flexible tip design by Preston. Then it says high cost performance. Now when I do the Platinum, this is much easier. You have a smoother click performance for the nib comes out. On this one, it's not as smooth, but it's fine. But you can tell the difference as far as quality. Yeah. Now what's cool about these pens, they come in a lot of different colors. You got red. This is before you say like a teal blue or...
Yeah, dark teal.
Then they got the black. They got the clear. Then they have the blue like this, and then a brown like this, and a black like this. And they have like a Fresca green like this. And they have a pink like this, a gray one like this. So they have a lot of colors for both of their pens, so that's cool. Now, I don't know if any other Chinese company offers a medium nib, but what I've seen so far is just extra fine and fine. Now, there could be some that may be selling a medium nib. I'm sure there is somewhere. So, we're going to do some writing now with this one. I guess we'll use... Which one you want to use, Mr. Announcer?
Go for the red.
Red. Okay, we're going to go for red. First, let's go ahead and weigh it. We know it's the same size as this one, okay? So we're going to weigh it. 25.2 G's. Okay? Now for the Curidas. And then Mr. Curidas is going to be 28.1. So the red one was what?
Oh, I don't remember.
The red one was 25 point G's, okay? 25, 28.2, 0.3, and 25. 25, 28.3. This is a little bit heavier. Let's see what this one weighs. 25, it says. That's interesting, because this one looks more solid, but that's what weighs into. I wonder how it fits in the pocket. You have to lift the clip up to put it in your pocket, okay? So, let's clear that out of the way, and then we're going to do some writing. Since we're going to do red, I think we should use some red ink, don't you?
Sure.
So why don't we use some Robert Oster ink, and we'll use the one and only Frankly Scarlet. All right, Frankly Scarlet from Federalist Prints and Paper, and this is Frank's. It's an anniversary ink. I think it's a signature ink by Robert Oster. And which number is this? This is the number. It just says Frankly Scarlet, Robert Oster, signature. Oh, second anniversary in the USA. Bam! Okay, here we go. And I guess I'm going to use this same book here. And we're going to go right here. All right. And we're going to see how this little monster is going to work out. Okay. How much does it cost? I didn't say that, I don't think. This pen, let's see, for $7.61, and they're all $7.61. Okay. All right. Alrighty. So we better just put that right there. Here we go. Good luck. Yep. That should be enough ink in it. Now, they're not even close to being as well made as the Curidas is. So, if you're expecting the same quality, you're not going to get it. But again, $7.61 is what all you pay for this pen, so can't complain about it. Good price, you know. Get you a good look at that pen. And I'll let you look at the Curidas pen again. The platinum and the Chinese. Japanese made, Chinese made. Okay. All right. Here we go. All right. This in here a second. All right. There's a few little swirls here. Good ink flow, decent nib. Check for wetness. Nice wet nib. So, for $7 and what, 61 cents, free shipping. Got a pretty decent pen. Is it worth the money? Sure is, yeah. I think they did a good job. It looks just exactly like the platinum the Japanese pen made. They did a good job on copying. I give them that. Decent nib in there. I give them that. So, yeah, I'm going to have to give them a thumbs up on it. Pretty decent pen. Of course, $7.61. How long will it last? Well, I'll let you know because I'll keep an update with this pen to let you know how it's going through the months. So, that's going to wrap this pen up. So, my friends, stay safe. Be kind to a stranger. Always. Peace and lots of love to each and every one of you. And of course, friend, don't text and don't drive. See you later.